This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Figma for creating website easy method. Open Figma and create a new file, then set a frame to desktop size and apply a 12-column grid. Add brand assets like logos and fonts and define color styles. Start building a simple header with navigation, hero image, and call to action so you have a clear structure to iterate on quickly. Begin by converting common elements into components so edits flow everywhere instantly. Use auto layout to maintain consistent spacing, and create variants for button and card states to simplify interactions. Build responsive frames for desktop and tablet, then tweak constraints so elements adapt. Prototype key flows to test navigation and CTA behavior before sharing with collaborators for feedback and iteration. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and longevity, and they pair perfectly with long design sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want a small boost to your workflow comfort. Now let's get back to the video. Switch to prototype mode and connect frames to show navigation, modals, and micro-interactions with simple transitions. Add interactions like on click and overlay to make the flow feel real for testing. Clean up layers, set export scales for images and SVGs, and publish the file so developers can inspect CSS, spacing, and assets for handoff without extra meetings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.